The Municipal Legal Defense Program was created to legally protect municipalities and their officials, along with their employees. After a 1978 Supreme Court ruling, municipalities' officials and city employees were exposed to litigation. Many of those municipalities' officials and city employees couldn't financially handle the burden. Thus, the Municipal Legal Defense Program was born.
We're just a byproduct of cities. Cities, towns join this program, but they created it and they run it. So we really work directly for those folks, those members. We work for the police officers that are protected by the program. And I think that creates a really unique relationship for us. It gives us a grand opportunity to step out and do the right thing for municipal government. And I think it makes for better police departments, better fire departments, better cities in general.
In 2004, what started as a routine pullover turned into a high-speed chase between a reckless driver and West Memphis police. The chase ended across state lines, where the officers were called upon to use deadly force to stop the driver from potentially harming the officers and other drivers.
Chases at that time were relatively common in the West Memphis Police Department, but no matter how many times you've done it, it's still nerve-wracking. Your heart's going a million miles an hour. Everything's happening so fast.
This case really solidified my feeling toward the Legal Defense Fund, in as much as this case was a case that wasn't routinely covered by their regulations, since it occurred in two different states.
We litigated those cases in federal court for a while. We lost our arguments in front of the federal district judge in Tennessee, so we appealed up to Cincinnati, which is the Sixth Circuit Court of Appeals. The Sixth Circuit Court of Appeals found the officers had violated the Constitution. We were left with only one option, and that was to petition for writ of certiorari to the United States Supreme Court.
Well, we really didn't anticipate that we would be before the U.S. Supreme Court with one of our cases, but most of the actions that we deal with are in federal court. I guess that was always a possibility.
This year, the United States Supreme Court, of all the petitions submitted to it, took only 70 cases. So we feel very fortunate that our case was accepted, considered, and then the outcome, we're very happy with the outcome.
A unanimous decision by the United States Supreme Court is an incredible thing, because it gives police officers and mayors and council members a definitive understanding of what the law is in these circumstances.
Well, as far as whether a city should join or not, the question to me really isn't why would you, it's why wouldn't you. They've represented me through several lawsuits over my career, and the quality of the representation's been uniformly excellent. Mike Mosley and all the other attorneys that have worked on the cases have done a great job. They've kept us informed every step of the way, and the quality of the representation I cannot find flaw with at all.